watch me take it out the box. Okay. Okay. Watch me take it out the box. It is a Mainstay order from Walmart that I got. It is a small computer space. I just want a computer desktop setup so I can trade, so I can work from home. So let's get to it. Oh, and I'm sore for the gym. Doesn't help. Does not help at all.
Get the free experience out today.
Looking for a way to grow your business? Opportunity is waiting at Walmart Marketplace. New seller savings is back, and it's bigger than ever. You can now get up to $75,000 in incentives when you sign up to sell on Walmart.com. Maximize your profits with up to 75% off base referral fees. Plus, get a $2,000 credit to use towards discounts on storage and fulfillment fees when you ship with Walmart Fulfillment Services, and up to $1,000 in ad credits to advertise with Walmart Connect. Join today. The sooner you join, the more time you have to reach maximum savings. Join now to reach millions of new customers while taking advantage of Walmart's best offer of the year. Get started today.
To practice movement that happened presently. So if you're like, Kelly, how do I do this? Like, how do I learn? Do I just have to trade every day? No. Literally, you can spend the next 4 hours of your day going on TradingView and back testing and just practicing trading. You just go back and you practice trading. So please send a like and a subscribe. It helps me to continue to do this. Thank you. So, yeah, so I was waiting for price to at least, here's the two things. Not only do I want to buy back up, I want to see if it's going to test this resistance. Because here's something people don't often tell you about whenever we have breakouts. So let's say this is a breakout. Price has broken below. Price will usually do this. It will go down, retest. Like, is it a fluke or is it for real? Is you for real or is you lying? And then it'll go down. So sometimes that happens because not always. And when have you ever seen the market where it just does this? It just, no. It always has some sort of boom, boom, boom. That's the market. So, anyways, I'm gonna delete all these because I think when there's a lot of lines, it can look really confusing. I don't want it to look too confusing for you. So anyways, that was my mindset. Is I said, I'm going to see if price retest. So, and then, let's go next. This is 11:20, I'm just looking at price. Okay? Let's look at this wonderful support. Guys, what is this supporting this thing, right? If we needed to be psychologists, therapists, psychiatrics, psychiatricians, okay.
Oh, no.
Okay. If we needed one of those, we could do, right? Look at how accurately we predict the support and resistance. Oh, we're predicting those toxic cycles. Get out of that toxic relationship. Some of you are very attracted to the toxicity. Anyway, you love the arguments. If you go 3 days in a relationship with an argument, you're like, what? Like, what got into you? You seasoned your coffee. Are you seeing somebody else? How do you know? Listen, we're not doing this. We're not doing this. Anyways, so let's go next. This is my second price target. Why? I'm gonna label them. So you're like, Kelly, what is that? This is price. Okay, yeah. Learn how to spell, girl. You get there. See, I didn't know when I said I was gonna teach it to you like a kindergartner, it actually meant like I would write the phone too. Okay. Yeah, okay. price target too. Price target.
What? How did you?
I press the space button. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. All of you, close your eyes right now. Because I'm about to go back and we're gonna ruin the play. Because I accidentally pressed the space button. So it's gonna reset the whole card. So close your eyes. Don't look, don't look. Okay. If you looked, you're only making it more difficult for you. No, it's cool. I mean, you can look at it right now. You literally go look at this part. But we're gonna go back to where we were. Are we right here? No, we came back up. Boom. Yeah. Exhale. Everywhere. Because we had just hit support, right? So why are these my price targets? Because with gap fills, which is what this thing is right here. Let me go ahead and put a giant text on it. For those of you that, why is that area gray? It means that price in post-market production, aka when the market was closed and nobody could trade, it was still moving, just nobody could trade it for the most part, right? And when we woke up the next morning, the price was higher than when it ended the day before, which is what we see over here. This is where it ended the day before. This is where it's higher. Cool beans, amazing beans. So, with that being said, when price forms a gap fill, especially on indices, aka this ETF exchange, a price is not doing anything. But then look at this, these are the moves we're trying to catch. And look how this candle right here, perfectly to our resistance, perfectly to our support. Like it's, too easy out here. So, at this point, I'm like, okay, price target 1 is hit. We have to go start getting ready for the stream. So I'm like, I'm not looking at the charts again, but obviously that's a lie. I looked at the charts again, and look at that perfect exit. Cause look at that perfect exit. Like, please nobody click that. Oh my gosh. Anyways, look at this. Looking at a perfect exit, but it's the trader in me, the experience in me. You're gonna get to the point where you see this immediately. Look what I start noticing. Oh, also, I wanted to point out, like I said, this was stressing me, so I went on the 15-minute time frame. And when I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, I'm not stressing. We are definitely in a downtrend. But if you look at the 5-minute, sometimes you can see too much noise and it messes you up. I know some people that look at the 2-minute time frame, this is just too much noise. This just stressed me out.
Pack day. Have some smooth Seattle's best coffee. Make smoother coffee, bring smoother days.
Everyone's chasing the feeling of a win.
No matter what happens, you are all winners.
Oh, man, yo, let's go. Let's go, okay, guys? We're gonna get on in here, Jacksonville, the Bronx, Houston. I'm happy to be back, guys. I was gonna title this, I'm back. But most certainly, guys, I'm happy to be back, all right? Can't wait to connect. Detroit in the building. What up, though? Atlanta, Kansas City, Kenya, Little Rock, Arkansas, Nigeria in the building. Okay, you guys aren't wasting no time. Come on in, guys. We're gonna have a good discussion today. I'm gonna talk about the stocks at the end, but I wanna make sure. Guys, I want you guys to consider things like Vanguard or Fidelity. If you need one more that's more user-friendly, consider something like Robinhood or Webull or M1 Finance, okay? If you got cash, that's even a start, but I'd rather you be at least at the Robinhood level, okay? But you need to make sure you take control of your investments, because listen to this, you can now choose your investments. And nothing else, you guys got me to walk alongside you. I can do everything from transparently showing you when I save your first $2,000, you gotta avoid the trick, trap, and frustrate crew. You gotta be aware around here. When you rock with me, the same play that I help you make $100, but guess what? If you bought more contracts, you would've made $1,000. That's
Messages. Turn comments into cash. Sell more products, boost event signups, and crush affiliate sales all on autopilot. Get the most out of Instagram. Try ManyChat for free today.
I got all of this hair in less than 5 minutes. It has 4 temperature settings, negative ion technology,
So I want you to understand, we actually want this to take place because it's going to lead to another measured move, okay? Listen, guys, it's all about making sure that you are efficient as possible when you're trying to learn. Managing your risk being number one. Making sure that you understand where your target is at in terms of how much money you're trying to make and what it is you're trying to accomplish. So let's go ahead and dive into the chart so I can show you some things that I want you to use, as well as time frames that you want to use to grow your small account. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, this lesson is on the 15-minute time frame. I want to teach you a couple things. If you have a small account, if you have a small account and you want to grow it, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know down below. First things first, I want you guys to see this. Number one, always understand when you see this, this is an indication of how high the next move will be. Have these same opportunities time and time again. It happens in both directions. Look at this. You play these, you will see, oh my God. And so whether you are doing a bull flag or a bear flag, you will instantly